Hi Alterra Home Loans, this is Nikki Hernandez from Cultural Outreach, continuing our tutorial series on Instagram. So we left off in that we added new people to follow, and now I'm going to go over how to like and comment on posts. So in order to like on a post, you can click the heart, or you can double tap on the photo and it will show up. Now, unlike Facebook, Instagram only has this like option. Facebook offers like, dislike, angry, all those different emotions. But with Instagram, as of now, you can only like a post. That may change because there are always, updates that are happening. And say if you wanted to comment on a post, you would click on the little comment bubble and start to type in a comment. Studies show that longer comments that use emojis tend to show up a little bit higher. And you always kind of want to think about what could spur a conversation, what would engage people. So I would say something like, wow, such a helpful video. I want to try this for my home. I would add in maybe a couple things. And then I would click post. Now, what if, oops, I didn't say what I wanted to say, or I want to delete it, or I want to change it completely and just start over? I would swipe my finger on the far right side of the screen over by the heart. I would swipe left, and then I can delete, or I can tap in case you accidentally delete a comment. So that's a nice little tip, but because this is a test, I'm going to delete mine. And there you go. Have fun with this.